Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out a beastly pre-built that's turning heads in 2025, the Panorama Gaming PC Desktop. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below to get this today at the best price available. Wrench emoji, specs overview, processor, Intel Core i9-14900KF, 24-core, high-performance unlocked CPU graphics card, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070, DLSS 4.0, ray tracing, 16GB VRAM memory, 32GB DDR5 RAM. Storage, 2TB NVMe SSD. Networking, Wi-Fi 6E plus Bluetooth, Gigabit RJ45. Ports, HDMI, DisplayPort, USB 3.2, USB-C. Operating system, Windows 11 Pro. Rocket emoji, performance, built to dominate. With the i9-14900KF's 24 cores and 32 threads, this PC is a multitasking monster. Paired with the RTX 5070, you can play titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Starfield, and Warzone on ultra settings at 1440p or even 4K with high frame rates, easily hitting 120 to 180 FPS in most AAA games. Thanks to DLSS 4.0, you get top-tier visuals with no compromise on speed. Content creators and streamers will also love the setup. Video rendering, 3D modeling, and multi-layer editing fly with the combo of CPU horsepower and GPU muscle. Snowflake emoji, cooling, silent and efficient. Despite packing high-end components, the Panorama Desktop handles thermals like a champ. It comes equipped with a premium cooling solution, featuring large intake fans, mesh airflow design, and liquid cooling support on the CPU. Even under heavy load, it stays cool and whisper quiet. Brain emoji, memory and storage, speed and capacity. You get 32GB of DDR5 RAM, which is perfect for modern AAA gaming and productivity workloads. Paired with a blazing fast 2TB NVMe SSD, load times are practically non-existent, and multitasking is smooth as butter. Meridian globe emoji, connectivity, modern and ready. This desktop has all the connectivity you need in 2025, Wi-Fi 6E for ultra-fast wireless, Bluetooth for peripherals, and plenty of USB ports, including USB-C. The inclusion of Windows 11 Pro means you get added features like Remote Desktop, BitLocker, and more, ideal for gamers who also work from their setup. White check mark emoji, final verdict, is it worth it? The Panorama Gaming PC Desktop, 2025, delivers incredible performance at a surprisingly competitive price. Whether you're into high refresh rate esports, 4K gaming, heavy streaming, or productivity tasks, this machine can do it all with ease. It's a fantastic option for gamers who want top-end performance without the hassle of custom building, and the sleek design with robust internals makes it a future-proof investment. Right pointing finger emoji, grab this ultimate gaming PC now from the link below while it's still in stock, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. Personal computer emoji, fire emoji. Until next time, game hard and stay frosty.